Hello, Dr. Weber. It was really nice talking with you yesterday during my visit. Thank you for taking the time to look at this short video where I put your site side by side with two of your competitors and what you could do to have more potential patients find you and retain your services. So let's get started. I would like to talk about three important things. I want to talk about content, citations, and backlinks. This here is your website, and I see that you do not have a lot of content. What is content? Content are all the words and pictures you have on your homepage. Google doesn't care how beautiful your site is. They want content, anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page, including pictures. So I have a tool that I use to see how many words you have on your page. So let's grab your website name to see how many words you have. And it shows you only have 321 words on your site, so that's a little short. I'm gonna look at your competitors, Lancaster Modern Dentistry, and let's see how many they have. They have 1,379, and as I mentioned, Google loves to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000. Just by making this one change will help you move from the bottom of the second page of Google to the first page of Google. This is one of the things that will help. Now let's look at your other competitor, Dr. Jeffrey, and let's see how many he has on his site. He has 745. Now let's look at backlinks. What are backlinks? Backlinks is having your website's link in another business website pointing back to you. It looks like you have 227. Lancaster Modern Dentistry has 132. And Dr. Jeffrey has 81. This says that you have your website linked in other websites and they're pointing back to you. But not all backlinks are made equal. Some are do follow and some are no follow. What does this mean? Do follow means that the websites where you have your link are saying, we're okay with relating to this other business and we are okay with sharing some of our trust. And the no follow are the opposite. They don't want to share their trust with you. So you will need to have more backlinks in order to also rank higher. The last thing I want to talk about are citations. What are citations? Citations is having your business name, address, and phone number listed in as many directories online as possible. Looks like you have about 44 of those. Lancaster Modern Dentistry 28 and Dr. Jeffrey 21. In order to beat them out of the water, you will need to be listed in many more directories so that when people are looking for the services that you offer, they're able to find you. And that brings me to keywords. Looks like you have a lot of keywords, but they're not bringing you a lot of traffic. Let's look at Lancaster Modern Dentistry. They have 158 keywords bringing them this kind of traffic, and Dr. Jeffrey 299 bringing him a lot more traffic. Why is this? Because he has a lot of relevant keywords. They're location specific. They have Lancaster, Palmdale on their keywords where people can find them when they're searching for that specific service, either in Lancaster or Palmdale. Now let's look at yours. You have more keywords, but they mostly, if you see, they have your name, your name, your name. We want to have keywords that have the location in them. You have one here, and one here, and you have mostly your name printed here. So unless people know their name and they're looking specifically for you, they're not really going to find you when they're searching for general dentistry. They don't have a name. They just want to look for a dentist in Lancaster or a dentist in Palmdale. They're not finding you. So to summarize, you definitely need to have a website with a lot more content, meaning anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page, a lot of pictures, have more backlinks, and more citations, having your site address, name, and phone number listed in as many directories online as possible. These are some things that you can do on your own, Dr. Weber, to move your position from the bottom of the second page to the first 3 places on Google, which are the map pack. I will be happy to help you. If you like, you know how to find me, 661-406-0608. Thank you so much for your time.